Today I'm going to talk about local activation of our software products, and this is new for 2024 as we've integrated a new licensing system into our software, which uses these shorter activation codes. And we have some people are having trouble activating, and so when we activate our software, it's activated over the internet. We had a couple people who resolved this by temporarily stopping their firewall. For example, we had one customer with Norton firewall, and he said he was trying to get the activation code to work. It would not work, but when he disabled Norton firewall during the activation, the code went through and it worked. So, and obviously for people who don't have their computer hooked up to the internet at a particular time, you can use the local activation as well. So how does it work? Well, when you purchase the program, you get an activation code. Here's an example. I'm just going to paste it in. And so if your activation code doesn't work when you're trying to do it over the internet, you can do the local activation. So what we've done is we've added to the exit key, we now have a create offline request file. And so I'm going to use this. This is only going to work if you entered your activation code here. So I'm going to select create activation file. I'm going to save it to a this local USB drive. So I'll just call it Coin Managed Local. Click Save. You can see here it's been saved to G, Coin Managed Local. If I search for files on G, most recent, you'll see it's placed right here. Now the second step, and this is kind of confusing if you're not connected to the internet at a particular time, it's not going to work. But if you're not connected to the internet, you're going to email us this file. We're going to create what's called a response file and email it back to you. But if you do have internet access, you're going to go to offline.licensespring.com. Now I'm going to put this URL in the comments section, or the description section right below this YouTube video. So it's going to ask you to upload the request file. So you just click on that button there, and you're going to find the Coin Managed Local that I just created. Click Open, and as you can see here, it's downloaded. Coin Managed. It's downloaded a file called ls_activation.lic. If I click here, it's going to show me where it's placed it. I put it in the downloads folder. So now what I need to do, go back to the licensing registration dialog, exit, and say open offline response file. So once I've done that, I'm going to downloads. You can see here, this is the .lic file. Now as soon as I select this and click open, it's going to activate the program. So now the program is activated. Now the next time I run Coin Manage, I do not even get the activation dialog because I've already activated the program. If I go to help about Coin Manage, you'll see here, this is the activation code that I activated locally, so that'll work now, and the program will no longer expect an activation code. Now we do have another feature which will allow you to deactivate the license. So this is usually used, it's Tools Licensing, Deactivate License. And this is usually used when you want to retire Coin Manage from a particular computer. Let's say you want to move it to another computer and you want to free up the license because you're not going to be using it on the original computer anymore. So you just click Deactivate License. That'll free up a spot and you can use the same license on a new computer. So as I said before, I'm going to list this in text format in the description right below this video. And so all of our 2024 software will now have this particular feature and will work the same way. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.